It's no secret that you drive me crazy. You know that you're just my type. Let's just take it slow, come with me, baby. You know we've got so much time. What you got to lose? Yeah. What I got to prove? Yeah. What I got to do for you to be with me? What will it take for you to see? Yeah. We are meant to be. Yeah. What I got to do for you to be with me? Girl, been saving all my life for you. Let's not think too much. We don't need to rush. No, girl, there's nothing I won't do for you. Let's not say too much. There's no need to rush. If you only knew the things I do for you, am I getting through? Yeah, tell me what to do. Yeah, girl, been saving all my life for you. Let's not think too much. We don't need to rush. Let's not go too fast and wreck it, baby. 'Cause I'm having too much fun. You don't have to try, I'll make it easy. Then you'll see what we'll become. What you got to lose? Yeah. What I got to prove? Yeah. What I got to do for you to be with me? What will it take for you to see? Yeah. We are meant to be. Yeah. What I got to do for you to be with me? Girl, been saving all my life for you. Let's not think too much. We don't need to rush. No, girl, there's nothing I won't do for you. Let's not say too much. There's no need to rush. If you only knew the things I do for you, am I getting through? Yeah, tell me what to do. Yeah, girl, been saving all my life for you. Let's not think too much. We don't need to rush. Girl, I've been thinking lately, you've been driving me crazy. What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Girl, I've been thinking lately, you've been driving me crazy. What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Girl, I've been thinking lately, you've been driving me crazy. What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Girl, been saving all my life for you. Let's not think too much. We don't need to rush. No, girl.
Hi, my name is Brittany Hoff,
And I'm Jessica Santianes.
and today we are turning someone who is a very dark brown to an extremely bright red.
This look is inspired by Rihanna, and we're both so excited to see how it turns out.
So the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be separating the hair into 4 different quadrants.
So now we're going to take small sections starting in the front, and we're going to apply the lightener from mids to ends. After we complete the rest of the head, we're going to go in and tap the root.
After we tap the root, we are going to take our model back to the bowl, and that is when we begin to wash out the bleach and get her 100% dry, and then put on the fabulous bright red. After we are finished rinsing and conditioning the hair, we're going to bring her back to the chair and blow her hair out nice, beautifully and smooth, and wave her out with beautiful beach waves with a flat iron.
This is the finished look, and we are so thrilled with the outcome.
We couldn't have asked for a bigger, brighter, huge transformation project, and to end with such a beautiful red, it's really amazing, so we're very excited.
To maintain this color, the client must come back to the salon between 6 to 8 weeks to have her root retouched with the lightener and then apply the red back on top. Thank you so much for watching.
Hit the follow button if you'd like to see more.